How to enable birthday notifications on Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. Click on the three lines icon menu, which will direct you to the menu tab. In here, click on your profile picture. This will get you into the profile feed. In this page, click on Edit Profile. Scroll down until you see Edit Your About info and tap on that. Scroll down again in here and click the Edit button written in blue beside the basic info. In here, make sure to make the privacy setting for your birth year and birth month public. Click on Save, and after that, your friends will now be notified once your birthday arrives. Now, if you want to receive birthday notifications from your friends as well, go back to the menu page, scroll down and select Settings. Now, under the Preferences tab, click on Notification. Find birthdays in here, and in the birthday page, make sure to turn the toggle for everything in here in order to receive birthday notifications. So that is how to enable birthday notifications on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.